Google Alerts hasn't changed in years. You type a keyword, wait for an email, get a few links, and call it monitoring. But if you're seriously tracking a company, a competitor, or a market, that's not monitoring, that's sampling. You're seeing whatever Google decided to send you hours after it was published, with no way to filter it, combine it, or act on it. Here's how to fix that: by turning any Google alert into a live, filterable, automated feed in RSS.app. Start with an existing Google alert. Open it, click Edit, and under Deliver To, switch it to RSS feed. Hit Update, then click the RSS icon that appears and copy the URL. Then open RSS.app, paste it into the RSS generator, and hit Generate. You'll immediately see two views. The Native tab shows exactly what Google provides, raw and unformatted. The RSS.app version presents it in a much more readable format, a visual feed with images, source names, and metadata that's easier to scan and work with. And instead of waiting for a daily email digest, you can browse new stories directly in the feed as they arrive. The next difference is scale. Most people don't have one Google alert. They have 5 or 10. One for their company, one for competitors, one for industry trends. With the Bundles feature, you pull all of those into a single stream. Open Bundles, add your feeds, name it, and what were 5 separate email threads becomes one place to look. Then you filter. Not everything in that stream deserves your attention. Filters let you drop publishers you don't trust, hide topics you don't care about, and surface only what's relevant. Advanced rules let you go further. You can add custom text, replace URLs, or strip out anything you don't need before it ever reaches you. Google Alerts gives you no control over what arrives. This gives you complete control over what gets through. And instead of opening every article to figure out what happened, AI Brief reads the latest stories in your feed and writes a short summary. A few sentences that give you the picture immediately. You know what matters without switching tabs or skimming headlines. That's the difference between being informed and staying informed. Last step. Decide what happens when something important lands. Send it to Discord or Slack so your team sees it immediately. Connect the feed to Zapier, Make, or N8N to trigger an automation. Or embed a live widget on a dashboard so updates surface wherever people are already looking. Google Alerts ends at your inbox. This keeps going. That's the actual gap. Google Alerts tells you something happened. This tells you what happened, filters out everything you don't need, summarizes what's left, and routes it to wherever action gets taken. Same starting point, completely different outcome. Try it today with RSS.app.